Minasan ohayou gozaimasu. Today I'm on a solo trip. Wish me good luck. Kind of a bit scared today, but I think I'll do well. So today I plan to go for thrift shopping and then probably get my own halal food. I don't know how that will go, but hopefully it'll be good. See you guys at the thrift shop. Okay guys, so we are here at the Temple House thrift store and they're playing 80s Aurora. All these clothes all starts off from like 90 cents, which is crazy. Like Singapore could never. It's so cute guys. Like I already snagged like a lot of pieces and I think it's about like $20 so far, or maybe less, but I don't know. Look at my basket. I think most of the clothes I'm getting is for my nephew, Ucho. There's so many cute Japanese style like clothes, so I was like, I'm just gonna get it for him. It's all like about $3, so why not? I'm currently with him and they're playing 17 songs. They performed this song at the concert last 2 days. So if you guys are wondering, this is the Tempopo thrift store house. I went to the Takadano Baba outlet, so yeah, you guys should definitely go there. Like I bought so much clothes, it's already filled the entire like mama-san bag that I have, and it's only like $30. It's crazy. Okay, so anyways, I think now I don't think I'm that hungry yet, so I'm probably gonna go to Uniqlo and GU to help my friends get some of the items they wanted, and also my sister wanted some clothes and baggy jeans from GU, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna go back there. Come along with me to my solo trip journey. So far today has been quite chill. The weather is nice. It's a bit gloomy. I hope it's not raining. But yeah, I'm gonna find a nearby Uniqlo outlet. Here's my top. I bought it at GU. Isn't it cute? It's only like what, $18? I swear GU is so much better than Uniqlo. It's cheap and the style is like my style. Love it. So actually I'm kind of feeling hungry, so I'm heading to this Honolulu Halal restaurant, ramen, if I could find it. But yeah, I saw this from the TikTok guy Navito. Then he said it's like, oh, it's so good. So like I'm gonna try that. So actually I found it. It was down the stairs, but it opens at 5 PM. So now it's closed. So I think I shall just wait for it to open. It's here. Gotta wait until 5 PM so it opens. So I got some spicy dipping noodles and I'm on a call with Mirza. I'll just say, Mirza, say hi. Yeah. They can't hear you because I'm wearing earpiece, but yeah, he said hi. He's like, hi you guys. So you know, it's Mirza. my god, just shop so much. I'm tired. Guys, how am I surviving this? Japan, what are you doing to me? So just now I got some skincare and hair care from here, this store. Heard that they have some like... So technically this trip is all based on TikTok lah. Like my food, shopping, skincare is all from TikTok. And then like yeah, so apparently when I saw at TikTok, the person said that this store, Cosme, has like skincare and like hair care, and it's all like affordable prices, and it's all from like Japan and Korea. So yeah, got some hair care needs, and then I got some for my sister as well because she needs some. But now I just met up with Tammy, and then she went in to shop also with her sister. So I'm just waiting outside because girl can't manage with her huge heavy ass bag. All I can see is damage done for the day. It's like so much I got. Let me show you. Look at how fat this bag is. Look at it from this side, from this side. It's crazy. It's very heavy and it's full to the brim. So we're currently at Harajuku, if you guys don't know. And over here in Japan, it gets dark really early, like 5 PM, and it's already like nighttime here. But they say the night is still young. Guys, look what Tammy found on the way to Uniqlo to meet me just now. It's my auntie babies. San, san, san. Let's go and let's see what they have in store with N-Team. Let's see the collaboration. Oh my god. This is like a little pop-up event. Oh my god. This sign! Nikki and Liju. We're gonna get some candied apple. We had this last time at Kyoto and it's so nice. Can't wait. Mama Sammy paying. Thank you for money. Okay. Oh, so okay, Tammy, taste test. Let's go. How is it? Okay, Emily. Slaying. Amazing. Cute. Got like a lot of Hatsu, Kaku. Okay, which one should we choose? Oh my god, they whitewash my armpit and I love it. I like this one. Maybe this one should be in the middle because it's cute, right?
What?
What should be on top? Yeah, okay, this two in the middle.
This or like go with the frame already.
Oh yeah. Oh, this one also cute.
Yeah.
This one or this one? No, this one better. I like this one. Maybe this one middle.
Yeah.
Okay, how about like... Oh! Okay, this, and then this. Oh, you want this one? This one or this one?
Oh, but nice.
Right. We take all so nice, huh? We should be artists, Jay. You wanna take photo with us? She got Uzi. Hey, my eggies. I got Ming Hao. I got Ming Hao. Joshua, Mingyu, and Hoshi.